Yes. If you just following, you know, say this one at the show, we can give you every entertainment sense, the jollificating things, even their church and them, we concern bubbles and babies them. My name is Ugo Matthews, and this one at the show, we will call BOBOS Yarn. Yes, so BOBOS Yarn, I know to say, I know they ever lead alone. My criminals them, they side the bar with me. Chakra.
And so, Ugo, you know, say at times, you get something so good happen to you on your way to work or on your way to the bar or somewhere, and then it will try to weigh you down. But the most important thing in life is to shake it off and move on.
Shake it off.
So I must talk, and we must drink, and we must continue. So therefore, you are welcome to BOBOS Yarn.
Show up.
Shakara, I don't know say Shakara don't become motivational speaker. I don't know say you don't get, so you get all this kind of talent. You motivate people, inspire people.
No, first of all, you motivate yourself.
Yeah,
of course.
But I don't say what happened to you last night. Now motivates you to do like this now.
But you know, they get some people motivational speaker. They cannot even motivate themselves.
Yes,
you know, say the man will sing the song "Don't Worry, Be Happy." He hang himself die.
Not so.
You can imagine.
You understand?
Not so.
Now, why they wonder how most pastors or motivational speakers when they talk say you will not live in poverty and they are living in poverty. What are you?
I don't tell on now the book launch where I go on how to be a millionaire. The writer of the book, when he come outside, wear be true slippers.
How you look at
I say, guy, I beg. And I don't pay money, they give me one copy before. So that they won't give me the copy, now the author of the book come outside and I say, yes. No worry. You know what? Give my 2K, no worry, give my 2K.
Now all these truck pushers, where they tell them, say, the way they go, you're not going to see blessing. A person go wear t-shirts, buy money grows like grass.
You know, and they push.
I want to bless you.
Guy, yes. So I know say that every now all the gang be that on top of this place today. Yes, matter we want to talk about today. It is very sensitive because we look at all round center. We look at say, okay, what will be the reason why some things they happen inside marriage? We just want to ask a simple question. Education. Shey na key to make marriage better. That's what we want to talk about today. If education are key, because so many people they talk say if you know they're educated, say you're not gonna know how to go do things, how to go your left from your right, all those kind of things. And some people believe say education are criteria. We get so many people that believe say if you don't go school as babe or you don't go school as guy, and nothing marry you.
That's no do things right, do things wrong. I believe say to just summarize the whole thing, I would say many people believe, or even myself, I used to believe, say, if you know they're educated, the chances of you making money, because now that drive, now I think they really attract two partners. They won't see whether you did productive.
So your own angle, then I say the education are onto money.
Onto money,
because the money now the whole marriage.
Yes, and then the whole marriage. So
in your own words, I don't see marriages, I don't see couples we also don't go school. But they make her. I don't see man wake up from my state.
Now 1 out of 50.
We no go school, but you get the biggest pharmacy for Kwaibo State. I don't be careful, so pharmacy.
You don't go school at all.
You don't go school.
So I can take the professional.
He employ pharmacists.
Certificate.
He employ pharmacists. He employ person.
Because he must be a professional pharmacist.
That is saying go
get certificate.
And he go get professional pharmacist. He employ. When they pay.
So when we say that one they from the place.
The certificate of whatever it of the guy.
The guy live Oko.
Another person go there now. Now vacancy for another person.
It can only happen in Akwaibo. Oh, in a village like that. I don't need to be insulted. It can happen in Delta State because Delta State people they are well read.
If you think very well, there are many people in Delta State we no go school, but I go die go school.
Maybe.
No. I go die go school.
And 1 out of 20, I go die is not full Delta.
What if I 1 out of 20? You can count many of the comedians we no go school, but they are successful.
Okay, may we leave money matter for them. May we even go straight into marriage now. Education. I believe is key. One, education is key, I agreed. But again, waiting my papa they call common sense. They know they go read them for school. They know they study them for school. You understand? I don't see couple where we say they go school, but their marriage no make sense at all. And I don't see couple where we say they don't read nada.
Because sometimes too much of even their education self, they spoil many things. Me, the angle where they come from, I say, for instance, now if the man now graduates, then most likely, even if the man no marry graduates, the marriage fit still work, but you will get plenty wahala because now na different thinking now.
Ideology.
Now be this, you understand? So, but I dey recommend say if you be graduate, you fit marry graduate. But person wey no be graduate, can't say wan go marry babe wey be graduate. There's a problem there. Because in the end, the girl they talk about say, okay, I don't want no breastfeeding. From what I learned, you know, they say we can use feeding bottle. The man will be real village man. Then he say, no. Now this breast, when they take suck, when they take feed me, now you go feed, so you go sit down.
Even to back pikin self. You know, again where you go read book reach, you can't realize it to back pikin things of the village and
no, you could just check something, you could just day, you could just So that's where the education now they come into play. It's not as if education really want fantastic something. The way people go say, you know this. But let me tell you, they say what you don't know, no fit kill you.
If you listen to my intro very well, education just like bedrock of any marriage, you understand?
But is it the key to make it better?
Not be the key at all.
The way me I take Siam and say, okay, may we take my grandparents for instance. My grandfather and my grandmother now don't live together for 52 years. You understand? They don't marry together now for 52 years, and both of them no go school. But all their children go school, and their grandchildren, stroke great grandchildren go school. Now, and they look at them this way. Both of them no they educated, but they've lived together for 52 long years.
And now they think of waiting.
You understand?
That time school been there.
Of course, there's education.
That time, you know, today's, you know the era where grandparents born. You know how old this will be?
No,
I say grandparents.
I know, because they interview the wife of Awolowo, yes, which is one of these stations, and she's about 90 something, approaching 100. Understand? And she mentioned the schools where she go. Then that means education has been all those. Why?
Yes, it's been there, but not everybody. Typical example, our president. He go school, a wife, maybe she go, but she not to go school. You understand? So, but the marriage still
she's a graduate from
why you smile?
She go police, she graduates. You understand?
She graduates.
It just be like say, the only thing be say maybe she know they sharp to learn some things. And that one, be the problem where many people they run from for that education thing. Nobody say they won't use and do anything. Some people are embarrassment and they want to avoid. Because of the way the world don't go globally now. Many people they marry, they secure many things. They secure say, can I go out with you confidently? Can you speak in public and I won't be embarrassed? Nobody say that they look say maybe because you get
but let me tell you, even if that one be like say that they look be that.
Yes.
But I tell you, education they really change person mentality. After they say, no, just go through school. Make school go through you. Make you pass through school. No, just they say you go. Because if person will go through school, a lot of things they will.
Now,
how you want to
now you talk of the foundation, the things where education carry. Now you talk now. But for inside marriage, what many couples they look? They don't even look. I they tell you the key things: embarrassment, the fear of which is hungry.
But you know, some people where they educated self feel say if they marry person when they educated, the communication between them it go get gap. Yes, some guys they feel like that, and some women say.
Oh yes, that's what are very
communication between
if I dare we be and we no fit, my first thing I even check, before I even think or crank or anything, na communication. If I dare we get now and get no fit, me and the girl they sit down. And the girl no fit they communicate with me. We just I don't think that we don't crack finish. No gist, nothing. Then it's useless.
And you know, say some people believe say babe when no to go school no go really sabi crank. Some men they believe like that.
Obviously, yes, because I want to even to look internet look something. No fit
they want to crank it.
Okay, just like the way my TriCaster guy been the talk before we enter the bar. Say you get some couple where we say. Over education, that you know, say over Sabi the key monkey.
True.
This one read book, go here. This one read, go here. You understand? At the end of the day, they get problem for their marriage, and then you get the point where we raised that time about that embarrassment. One allergy, you go occasion with his wife who well educated. His wife don't tell and say allergy. If you go to stage, just tell them that on behalf of me and my family, I donate 50,000. the man come the cram am. But when he climbs, when they give a mic, when you see people in head, delete. Then he go say, so on behalf of my family, Kai, so sorry. On behalf of 50,000, I donate my family. Woman, you know that kind of woman now. She go call the verse.
No, I know for what this account don't remind me of this. I know the lie also. That's so one dicking. The wife goes school where correct this. So they do this donation for church. Now they come. That's what they call say this the husband of a big woman. They make it come be the one to announce donation. So now you don't come and they say, okay, Shakara, he gave 2 bags. Now the wife come go meet him for say no. When say na 2 bags, no be 2 bags. He can say okay. Now the next one we want read. Now only 1 bag. Now he say Ogochuku 1 bag.
1 bag.
You understand? So you need to education.
Yes.
Whether I like him or not, it cost wahala.
Important.
Imagine now say you want the what if when you come back there, I want to remind you of how you want to take no girl when you don't know anything when you reach house.
Make we rush sharply now. Enter straight. Make we hear waiting our men them gas talk on top this one. No go anywhere. Nasi BOBOS yan. We dey come back.
I think so.
I don't think so.
Yes, it's part of it.
Yes, education go help because it get level of understanding where people need to get to marry. Ignorance, they say, no be excuse. So when 2 ignorant people marry, you know they're good. They need education to help plan the children too, because ultimately for marriage, they go born children. And if they're not there educated, how they want to train the children where they go born?
Marriage, as they talk, is not really based on education.
Also, for the because of the benefit of your pikin, both parents, to train your pikin, Shey you get, both parents got to educated.
As in, the part of waiting will make the marriage may make sense better. But sometimes if understanding the wife is educated, maybe the husband not educated. But if love and understanding they make them move forward. But education is a part of the key way to make the marriage stable, but not in all occasions. It might work for, if you work for family A, if you don't work for family B.
Marriage is an understanding between 2 lovers. And as it can't be so, man supposed to understand his wife and wife supposed to understand his husband. Yeah, education. I'm not going to say education no good. Education good because, with education these days, you get the kind of things where you go do, where you know say, man, if you do wife go feel para. So as you don't want to make wife para, you go just do the one where you know say go happy wife. And as wife, education is pretty important because no verse I don't like English, Education is important because when you don't go school, read your book well. You go not say man be like pikin. So the way they carry treat your pikin, that's how go you treat your husband.
Everybody not get the chance make it dedicated. Olden days, our forefathers, they're not dedicated. Then they marry, and marriage they last. Some know they even know the person where they want to marry. They still marry, marriage they last. So now where education, the education is good though, but it is not the key.
Yes. So now welcome back. Now say BOBOS yan we day. And the matter we will talk about today now say education. Shey na key for marriage to better than the matter we will talk about today. And we still dey inside this bar. So they yan the matter because the reason why I dey look say education. But me, I can't think when we go do this, I go now say, I don't believe say education are like the key factor. You understand?
No be the key factor, but
why
one thing.
Why are they talking now say? Because I don't see several. One guy raised one point where you talk about say how they will train the children. You get because I don't see people who say they don't go school, but still their children still make sense.
Yes, it's very possible for you because now you train your children according to what you see for your environment, not what you read for school. You understand? You now for school now, you feel it say, okay, train picking medicine or you become doctor, but you come to see the environment say people they study so thing, they go so school and be like this. So if possible, you get some schools where they do sports and this thing, because you can't see people where they are around you. So you go learn from people where they are around you, train your children.
But you don't check this other factor. Say, imagine you say both sides men, they always say very busy. Then your pikin can come back from school. They give them homework. Mama, we no sabi anything. We never go to school. No fear pikin for homework.
Yes, that one.
I hope you know that one too.
Yes, that
so
one.
Check out that one too.
But you know, say every man know a weakness. Every man know where shoe they pain and for leg.
True.
If you don't go school like that and you get children, you want the best from your children. There must be a way. Either you hire a home teacher or something.
But no matter how much the home teacher where you go hire, mama still get the highest part of impact for pikin life. Because you go to struggle now for here. They say you want to train your pikin. Make your pikin they speak good English. By the time they don't train them for house finish, home teacher can't train them. Come, mama, go come they speak. They try cut and join English. I understand. How you come all those kind of way no go blend. And imagine how they watch TV. Your pikin now don't way no say okay if you watch TV understand English. You want to watch cartoon channel or so or something where they speak for English. Mama we no sabi one watch African Magic Yoruba or one thing.
Funny enough, I've lived in an environment where most of the people they know today educated, especially Lagos when I come. Okay.
No, we know your own case now. We know how God will bring you come. So we thank God for now see the same road now.
Leave my testimony alone.
Okay,
I'm not fight to
your testimony is not your
good mood. I know follow you quarry today.
Your destiny. I'm just saying it's not your testimony.
When people sing, now I'm living my testimony. Nobody worry them. Allow me to live my testimony. A lot of those people, especially that place, one face my face, you are there for Regu. Most of the women are market women, some people women where they marry from East come. But in the morning they go wake up, bath their children, go. Once the children come back, now then they shout pass for assignment too. Like say they know what's inside.
They want use the pikin take learn now.
No.
They want use it.
And they tell you say that zeal they did there. And they make things work. Some parents where they educated. Where they educated. Wait. Parents where they very educated. They just say, have you done your homework? Wait. They don't believe say the pikin supposed to know. Wait.
The parents very educated. They don't done your homework. Come sit down here, Junior.
But wait. Those women, if you say that, okay, go bring your book. Wait. Why you pay this one? Don't say she know. So that fear, they inside the pikin.
See, but I did very keen about because okay, yes, no wahala. We know say no be everybody fits get the same level of education. But I believe say even if at this even at primary education, because these days, if you know say your children must go school, you have to know something. And most times, no be school be everything. Because I know people no go school, but they speak the best of the English. Of course. Self-training day.
Meanwhile, no verse. On a lighter note, one woman, she don't go school. Her pikin they go school. Now she go now one day for class. They tell the boy she made spare cow. The boy no fit spare cow. Now she flog the boy. The boy come tell him mama say now she flog him. Say no fit spare cow. Then the mama verse carry the boy go back to the school say. How you tell this small boy me spell big cow? You never find small thing. You know if you find small thing like cockroach. The boy say yeah.
It is a get person walk on help. You don't say.
I better find small animal for this boy me spell.
I better we just jump on the rush go do his opinion. When we come back,
we want to kick cow.
We want to kick cow. We are coming back.
No.
Oh, if education no there, marriage go work.
Education not key me, man. I think marriage na understanding.
Education no be key because most times the husband self no go get education. Some husbands na carpenter, some husbands na bricklayer. Some wives they cook, some wives they sell pure water, and their marriages they work, they get money. So no be about education.
Because na brain, they carry everything. If you trust your husband trusts you. Una go carry on.
Education na key. Yeah. Yes. Because if you are educated, I think, now there will be some things you will likely to do if you are educated. Yeah.
If you still marry without education, But only what's in the important then are wisdom.
If you understand your wife and your wife understands you too, no mean say you must go all the school before marriage fit dey successful. Some people that they get all the old masters, everything, but see, yeah, they are single, their marriage no dey work. Why? Because maybe because the education too much for their head, so they feel say one or two things is going bad. You understand? So to me, education is not really the key to a successful marriage.
Yeah, see everything where all those women talk. If like say, but for me, I like that idea where one babe talk say education not really that important. It's a thing of the mind and understanding.
Because I get fine now why you like her. You
not
shock.
be by the
You don't
fine
shut
girl
up.
thing.
You don't see fine girl wait for the wait come believe. Now why you talk like this?
Wait.
In fact, you know say as I start, if you begin, I be say education not really matter like that.
Yeah.
You understand? But if I think some things would happen for ghetto, I will tell you education because I still remember another woman again when Pikin go school. This one, now they come tell and say, if you know those maths we say they will say find the square root of find the square root of this. If S is equals to Y and then Y minus Z, find the square root of
Y
Z.
or Z.
Now the boy no fit. Now they beat her. Now the woman come again come school. Now the woman say, you teacher, if I answer question, if you answer, I say yes. Okay, say if you are coming from Oshodi's block, you are coming from Orile's block, you try to pass my two's block, where will you be? The woman say, that's not a mathematical question. I say, come out! There's no you don't say that, hold up, you go there. So when I remember some things, I don't say yes.
Education.
Really, see, education, yes, is key.
Look,
but okay, how do we put it? More look like this. Wait, more look like this. More look like this. Now, may we take my grandparents, for instance, say for 52 years they don't marry. They are not educated. And they are still together.
Nobody they tell you say marriage no go dey successful.
Wait, be like
no, how they take get their money? Wait, how they take do everything?
Who tell you say your grandparents? Are you a success story? Are you not seeing the difference?
Showman. If you want cost person, you tell the person say you are mad.
Okay.
Like
they use your grandparents. Even your grandparents.
I am a success story.
Your grandparents are not proud of you.
I am educated. I am a graduate. Age may go, my friend.
My brother. We are lucky. We dey lucky say this guy go school. Now this guy was going to tell you say.
What do you mean? Me, Ugochukwu, Lemchi, Juan.
Now this guy where you go ask say, so what did you read in school? He say, oh, I read computer science. What? Look at it. There's nothing computer or science about you. As you do like this now. Naughty education. Your baby, you should be either a high priest, herbalist, or either maybe chieftaincy title or something. Nothing now. What you tell me?
It's okay. Ogo, you are from a successful family. But let's look at more successful family, like Dangote and the rest.
Like worry them, my immediate family. You don't have to just go that far.
We are talking about is education now, right? For me, the best example I can give are my grandparents.
Yes.
Why are they
they say Pikin wey never ate another person's soup.
My friend, keep quiet.
Pikin wey never eat person's soup.
Go
talk say that your mother soup that sweet pass.
I not say education. No, they important. But I try let you understand.
We dey move forward now. We don't hear you say yes. Your grandparents.
For marriage, no be the key factor where we say it go make marriage take.
You know what say we will go idea of success. Say your grandparents don't born this plenty children where they born like this.
To me, I see education as exposure. But if we come back from what else?
Take us go there.
I go. So right now, for the first time,
shut up.
For the first time, I see say Ugo won't bite show my ear. So let's go and do what don't spoil. When we do what don't spoil, we come back. I don't know what you do wrong with what don't spoil. Let's do it.
I beg.
In fact,
this matter.
You know, say yesterday night.
You know,
if I fuel,
for where?
See, you know what I say. In fact, fuel and I caused the problem where I face this afternoon. Where I face, the problem where you know I face this afternoon.
I understand your problem.
I tell you, say, I sweat, man no swear now. No man no swear. Fuel Waiting my eyes see.
So
today,
nah, you don't.
So that word, this word don't spoil. This word don't spoil. Supposed to be word don't damage.
But you get money.
You're supposed to be feeding money, but what comes and buy fuel? So that means I don't get money.
Because before we will say, okay, no money, fuel dey even day. Now, money no day, fuel no day. Waiting more. You know what the verse me last night? You know how you go don't finish, enter all the whole traffic, can't go back house. Then even NEPA self no can give you light. So even to get fuel to take run your jet, no day. So what kind of country? So that the vex, I just my man just go wherever they shake them up.
The thing don't really tell me. Shakara, let's just do it in one word. Key or not key?
Padlock. Follow. But I notice say education are key. Just the necessary. Just a necessity in marriage. That'll be the key to a successful marriage.
Bosco.
It's not really like it's a key, but it's one of the major ingredients where you need. You need them. No education.
If education is soup, if marriage is soup, which ingredient will be education?
Now it be the seasoning. That seasoning. Now they make it sweet.
The seasoning.
Because that means not even the meat. So
who they find meat? Sometimes food no get this thing. You never hear that song? Which kind soup, Mama Kuko? You never know?
I know.
Pepper,
I just want to
know. This one we know. They no border for the era now.
Turn.
This guy put them. You miss Sansan play. You miss police and thief. You miss
one very simple thing.
We play game where they play for that.
No verse. Continue.
But I tell your grandparents say we they go. Your successful grandparents.
It's very simple.
Daddy.
If you know, say, with education, without education, your marriage will work. Like your hand but I just want to let you know, say the most important thing go na
need. Distract them. Now, person they sign up today, distract them. Sorry, don't mind that, but
if you are as good as my grandparents, I'll be happy.
Daddy,
you can never have my grandparents.
You have tried to raise.